Hey guys, this is Whitney from the blog Tried and True Mom Jobs, and today I want to show you the top 5 highest paying work from home jobs that I recommend. The best part about these jobs is that they don't require any previous experience. So I want to show you how to get started and most importantly, how much you can earn. Now, all the jobs on this list are all considered a small business, and when you have a small business, the government will give you so many tax breaks that you may have never even considered. For example, I do job number 3 on this list, and I'm able to write off my iPhone. Now, I paid $1,000 for this, but this is known as a business expense because I use this for my business. My monthly phone bill, I use that for my business, so I'm able to write that off. My home, I'm able to write part of my mortgage off because this is my office space. This is where I work, and that is known as a business expense that I can write off at the end of the year. Now, I'm going to talk about this a little bit more at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. And for those of you who don't know, this is a new YouTube channel. So if you like this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section below, because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and showing this video to more and more people, the more engagement that it gets. So if you learned anything out of this video, you could just say thank you by just commenting and telling me that you liked it. And then you could also subscribe because I'm going to really show you a lot of ways to make money from home that you may have never considered. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that one of these jobs will work for you. All right, so let's get started. The first job on this list is to become a property preservation contractor. Now, I had no idea what this was until I met this woman named Danielle Pierce at a conference. And we were just talking in line about what we do for a living. And she told me that she was into real estate, but she doesn't buy or sell anything. So then I was like, then what? All right, then what do you do? And she explained it like this. If you look around different neighborhoods, you'll find that there are abandoned houses. Well, those abandoned houses are either in a foreclosure process or they are already foreclosed, and the banks need to sell them. But banks don't like to get into real estate, so they hire these services out to property preservation contractors to preserve the property until the bank can sell it. So the bank basically pays you to maintain the house as far as like the lawn care, any debris removals, or if the house needs to be boarded up. And you don't have to worry about any renovations or remodeling. That is not considered what a property preservation contractor does. They're just preserving the house until the bank can sell it. And then I asked Danielle, how much can someone make doing this? And she says that she finds it very feasible to make $100,000 or more in the first 18 months. And then I asked her, well, how much do you make? And then she says that her highest grossing year was making over $440,000. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is such a great way to make money from home. And because keep in mind, she has 3 kids that she homeschools, and she does this all part-time, and she outsources 100% of the work and only does the admin work at home. So that is why this is the #1 work from home job that I recommend. I did a really deep dive interview with her to really understand what this is about. And she also has a masterclass that you have to check out if this is something that you're interested in. So I'm going to put that interview in the description below so you can find out more about becoming a property preservation contractor. Next on this list is to become a virtual assistant. Now, virtual assistance is one of the most popular work from home jobs because of its flexibility. You basically are working around your own schedule as long as you can meet your deadlines. Now, what virtual assistants do is that they provide administrative support to a business or a person remotely. So everything is just done remotely, virtually. There's so many things you can do as a virtual assistant. I actually have a list of 150 services that you can provide as a virtual assistant. So if you can really niche down in a specific skill that you want to provide as a virtual assistant, you can really become perfected in that area. And when you become perfected, you're also known as an expert. So when you're an expert, you can charge a nice amount of money for that skill because you're an expert at it and you know what you're doing. So you can charge whatever you want. Now, I often see virtual assistants charging from $25 to $100 per hour, or even more than that. I interviewed Gina Horkey, who's a virtual assistant, on my website, and she is a 6-figure virtual assistant, and she created a course to help others get started. Her course is valued at $99, and she's giving it away for free right now. I don't know how long she's going to do that for, so you want to make sure that you go ahead and take advantage of this right now because it could be gone tomorrow. So I'm going to put that link in the description below with my interview with her, and it will include instructions on how to access her free course. The next work from home job on this list is to sell products on Amazon using their FBA program. Now, this is a great program because basically what you're doing is that you're buying products at brick and mortar stores or online at a discount. You're using their app to see if you can resell it on Amazon for a profit. If you find those products, you buy them, ship them to Amazon, and then they are the ones that will actually ship it to the individual customer when they actually purchase it. And then they take care of all the customer returns or exchanges or just all that customer service work. It's out of your hands. And when you use the FBA program, everything that you ship is considered a prime product. Now, if you're an Amazon member, you know how valuable that is because you get those products in a day or two, and you have a leg up against the competition when it takes like 5 to 7 days to get those products. I know as an Amazon Prime member myself, I always choose Prime because I don't want to have to wait. Why do you have to do that when you have Prime? So that's one of the great things about the FBA program, and I interviewed Jessica from the Selling family who does this because she makes over 6 figures doing this. So she created this free mini email series to really show people how to successfully sell on Amazon. And my sister, she took that and she started doing it on her own, and she started making $2,000 per month on the side with a full-time job. So this is a great way to make money from home, and I know it because my sister's doing it and Jessica's doing it and so many others are doing it, and it's enough room for everyone. So I highly recommend to check out this work from home job. If you're into selling products, you are into reselling products, you also could flip products at thrift stores or flea markets. Now, Rob from the Flea Market Flipper says that you only need to spend like $20 to $50 to get started. You take that to the thrift stores or the flea markets, purchase things with that, resell them on eBay for a profit of like $100 to $300, and then just do it over and over again and build your business reselling products at flea markets and thrift stores. And he created a free workshop for you to take if you're interested in doing that on the flea market side. So I'll put that link in the description below just so you can check it out if that's more your style. And I'll also put the article to the interview I did with Jessica that includes the free email series that my sister took. So you definitely want to check that out if you're interested in Amazon as well. Now, the fourth work from home job on this list is to start a blog. Now, I started a blog and I've been able to build it into a 6-figure business. Want to start a successful blog, you need to figure out how you can help people. The top categories that do really well when it comes to blogging is how to make money, personal finance, beauty and fashion, food, health and fitness, and personal development. Those are some great categories that a lot of people are interested in, and they do very well. But if you don't want to write about that, you don't have to, because there's a craft blogger that I follow and she's making over $100,000 per month. So there's just so much opportunity out there when it comes to blogging, and it doesn't have to be one of the top categories I talked about to still make money. It could be whatever you want it to be, but you just have to figure out how you can help people, because that's what people want to know. They don't really care about what we ate or what family trips that we took. That's not what blogging is if you want to make money. Blogging is all about how you can provide value and how you can help people. It's really important to also understand how you can make money blogging. And I did a very detailed article on how to make money blogging, and it really details on how I make money blogging and how I was able to turn it into a 6-figure business. My first year, I only made $5,000. So this is definitely something that you want to start doing on the side. But if you really stick in there and do all the research and all the work that it takes, it really will pay off, because the next year I was able to make 6 figures. So I highly recommend this as a great work from home job, because you can make so much money doing this. So definitely check out my article on how to make money blogging, and then you'll want to check out my article on how to start a WordPress blog under $100, because that's the next thing you need to do. You need to first understand how it works, and then you just got to get started. You got to do something. So I'll put those articles in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in blogging. And last but not least, I recommend starting a YouTube channel like I'm doing right now. I'm starting a YouTube channel because the earning potential is so great. I interviewed Nate O'Brien on my website, who's a YouTuber, and he's doing excellent. He told me just in the month of January that he made over $30,000 just from ad sales. So when he told me that, I completely got over my fears of getting in front of the camera and doing some videos, because this is where you can make a nice amount of money, and I want to be able to be on that train where you're just making some nice passive income in ad sales. And I'm sure he's making money in other ways, because when it comes to YouTube, you can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. There's several other ways, but those are just the most popular. And just learning from Nate, it really inspired me, encouraged me to start a YouTube channel. And I want to do the same for you. It does take work, but it's so worth it. If you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, I highly recommend to check out the interview I did with Nate, and I'll put that article in the description below so you can really find out how he was able to do it, and then how you can too. Now, those are just the highest paying work from home jobs that I recommend, but I have several other work from home jobs that are paying very well, like becoming a proofreader, becoming a bookkeeper, becoming a transcriber, and the list goes on and on. So I'm going to put the article I did on 15 real work from home jobs that pay well in 2020. I'll put that in the article description below so you can check that out to see what your options are, how to get started, and how much you can earn. Now back to what I was talking about earlier on how to get your money back. I had to pay an obscene amount of taxes this year, and I just did not want to have to do that again. So I found Lynn Richardson, who really just changed the game for me. So I highly recommend to check out her webinar she did on how to find out all the tax deductions that you can write off, and even how you can pay your kids and use that money that you're paying them and use that as a tax write-off. So it's just a whole lot to it that you just need to understand. She says that you need to understand the rules of the game and then play by the rules of the game. And I couldn't agree more. That's how the rich stay rich. The money that they're spending, they're getting that money back. So find out how you can all do that by checking out her webinar that I highly recommend. But first, you have to decide what home-based business you want to do. So if you didn't find anything on this list, check out the article I have on 15 real work from home jobs to see if any of those will suit you. Because you first have to have a home-based business, and then after that, that's how you find out all the tax breaks that you can take advantage of when you have a small business. So if you found this video helpful, I would love if you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know which work from home job that you want to do. And make sure you subscribe because, like I said, this is a new YouTube channel. I'm going to do a lot more videos to show you how to make money from home, save, and invest.